Okay, I never intended to do a review, but this is a review of the H300 rear wiper blade from Bosch I just happened to have laying around that I used for my older Kias and actually would fit on probably the newer Kias too, I'm not sure, but I have this Genesis GV70 and it's got a rear wiper also that looked a little flimsy and a little bit small, and the coverage area was a little bit left to be desired. So if you can see up here, I actually started this because I'm trying to install a dash cam, and a rear camera has to go on here somewhere. And the camera is going to have to go between the heated lines. And since the window here is basically heated from the bottom to the top, I'm trying to get it under this cover here. And if you can see under here, the wiper blade doesn't go all the way to the top. So I was looking for something a little bit longer. Well, it turns out that the one that came on the Genesis is only about 11 inches. It says it's 12, but it's 11. So I decided to see if this Bosch H300 would fit on it. And I snapped it in there, and it looks like it's working pretty well. It does have this gap right here, which means it's going to get about a half an inch longer on both sides. So it's clearing a little bit more of the window, and it will allow me to put that camera up on the highest slot, which you probably can't see because of the light behind it, but in between those heated lines. So you're gaining an extra, I don't know, inch on the top to put your camera without putting it on top of the heated line in the window. So anyway, I wanted to say that this Bosch, even though it's not listed as a part for the Genesis, will fit the 25 Genesis GV70.